Ang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Aming printer head. Aming capping. Nasa ng wiper pagtaas mag-headphone. Nozzle test. BR. Aming waste tank. At ang aming ground bar. Workload. Consumable white, magenta, black, cyan, at yellow. At ito naman ang aming monthly checklist.